What is up, guys? It is Aesthetic back again with another video. Today we are going to be going over the Supreme side of Project Destroyer. It is very simple and does not take much time to set up. To start off, you want to select Supreme as a site type. And for the mode, there are two modes, URL mode and keyword mode. URL mode would be used if you have early links to Supreme, or if you're running for restocks, you can take the direct product link and paste it into the monitor input. For the site name, you can choose between Supreme US and Supreme UK, depending on your region. For the monitor input, if you are using keywords, it is the same thing as Shopify sites. So for example, if we want to go for a box logo, we'll put box, comma, logo, of course with a plus in front. The style is pretty much the color of the item you want. So let's say I want a red box logo, I'll put plus red. For the checkout delay, we do recommend you use a delay between 2,000 and 3,000, as Supreme does cancel orders, so this will prevent that and prevent ghost orders. For the category, choose a category depending on what item you're going for. In this case, it is a sweatshirt, so we would choose sweatshirts. For the size, there's clothing sizes, so if you're going for a clothing size or a clothing item, choose a clothing size. Same thing as a shoe size. If you're going for a shoe, pick a shoe size. If you're going for an accessory or something that doesn't have a size, choose random. Then select your task count. You'll be doing 3, and the profile, we'll be using the test profile, and then hit create task. Now that you have your tasks made, once drop time comes, all you have to do is press the start button and Project Destroyer will do the work. Have a great day, and I hope you all get what you want on the first online drop of Supreme Fall Winter 2018.